Dollar General pickup. Little DG. Can't go the other way. Something blocking it. Oh, nice. Little coin. $1 million. Oopsie daisy. Let's leave this up. I'll pause this video. I'd rather hear the PS4 than that wind. Sheesh. I don't know about y'all, but this Moltres looks fire. Articunas too. Settings look good. Alright, let's get to the packs. Fusion Strike. From the Sword and Shield era. I did it wrong. Oh, never mind. The fire. The fire energy. That means we're gonna pull fire. I know it. I can feel it. Ow. I like this one better. Let's leave those up later. Alright. Little astral radiance. Oh, all green. That means we're getting money. This is the money pack. Oh, I can see something. I saw something. I can see it. It's poking out. What is it? Oh my god. Oh. Oh, it's a double pack. What is it? I can't even pull it. Hisuian Sneasler. Dude, this is a fire ass pack. DG for the win.